Today we're putting up pig pens and it's going to be hot. It's Florida, it's always hot, but it's especially hot right now. And I've got my little fans, little solar powered little fans right here. Whoop, whoop. I don't know if it's going to help, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, now I'm feeding the horses. They're ready. Lib gets mad and he starts pawing at the ground right there. Don't get the feed to him quick enough. Lib's a bigger horse, so he gets 3 scoops, and Shorty's small, he gets 2 scoops. Good. Alright, so the horses are done eating and we are getting the panels now to go put the pig pen together. This will be the 3rd pig pen that we've put up. Yesterday we went and picked up 6 new pigs, and some are for family members, friends that are gonna get the pig and take it to get butchered. We're gonna have to keep them for a couple weeks until that happens, so we're setting up a pen to keep them. Okay. Videoing. Hey, Big Melvin. So you may have noticed he said, hey, can you get the driver? Which I usually call this thing the frammer, which he thinks is hilarious because I can't ever remember the name of it. I've called it the beater, the frammer, but apparently it's the driver. So that's what I'm picking up, because we got to have that to put the T-posts into the ground, because those panels he was just carrying on the tractor, they won't quite hold a pig in. Like, you got to reinforce them a lot better. So you got to have the T-posts, and then we take rope and tie the T-posts to secure it even more onto the panel. Back from where our house is because they kind of stanky, so that's where I'm driving right now, and that's where he's taking the panels, and his daddy was just following him. we got a little new goat right there, and just got her the other day, and you can see we got one of our goats that's been here a while. She's following her around, giving her a hard time. They'll do that to a new goat. She's so cute. Look at her. Our daughter Haven named her Moonlight, I think. The goats are over there helping. You can see them standing on the tractor.
Yeah, we've sold everything but 2, I guess, and we're keeping them. No, it ain't worth a crap. Do it every day.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on our YouTube channel. I'd edit them all and put it together and make a little movie. It's good for memories because the girls can just get on there anytime and click on any of that.
It's all digital.
I've got all Haven's runs on there that she's done, and I put music with them and stuff like that.
It's just as hard as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Hey.
There's the ropes I was just talking about.
I
was just telling them about the ropes, how we use the ropes to secure these pins. I was talking about how you do it on the T-posts. I didn't even think about here. We got it put up. Now we're on the part I was talking about earlier about the T-posts that we've got to secure it a little better with. So I've got a pile here and I'm about to load 5 of these up.
push them down with a tractor, I reckon.
Not really.
I wish it was colder.
I know.
I think that's just body temperature. I need to separate her out of there.
This is where the hogs poop. They have one spot in the pen, which is kind of clean of them, to put it all in one spot, and we put lime on it to try to help with the smell, which it really, really does help. Now he's trying to move our girl pig there, Maudette, to the new pen, because this is the front pen, which is gonna be our loading pen. So we can back up right here to this gate with the trailer and put the 6 pigs I was talking about earlier in this front pen, because they're gonna be moved out pretty quickly to go get butchered. So we're gonna make the back pen back here, and this pen will be our, I guess you'd call like our keeper pen, long-term stayers, which would be Maudette, the Hampshire, you see there.
Hey, ladies, put some squirt.
All right, this is the one that we're having butchered. So we kept him here. We got him separated.
Yeah. Yeah, you about done? All right, I got your pork ready to load. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting on you. Let's just wait.
Let's wait over there and shade.
Nice, will you put that in there? I can't, my hand won't fit.
So we're gonna wait on him to come get his
it'd
first.
be easier than me trying to him more.
So they gave him to us free, but I think that we could just.
You need to be bigger than all the other. Kill him.
I'm gonna get about 20 pounds. 25 maybe.
You just where you fit in that grill.
I named him Steve.
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 Steve. Steve. You named him Steve?
Steve.
Mom, there's a Minecraft movie and the name is Steve.
Really?
Well, I'm gonna go get my brake calipers. I guess Scott's gonna put them on. Frankie, them supposed to fix my air conditioner.
Hey, did that tractor, did it have a manual pump on it? Or it's always had an electric one? The 644.
Yeah, it's always had electric.
Yeah, Frankie and them, I said, well, hell, I'll just get a manual one and put on it, back on it, but we can't find where there was a manual and went on it, they wasn't.
It's always, that electric pump's been on it. Well, we changed it the other day, but that one electric pump's been on it from the first time on it.
So I'm gonna have to take the ass, I was gonna put a manual pump on it and just charge the battery once a week. But I'm gonna have to take the ass over it and put a,
Manual pump for what?
for the fuel pump.
How you gonna charge the battery with it?
Oh no, if I could put a manual pump on it, I could just charge the battery once a week and run all week off of it.
Yeah. I don't know why they made that song going like that.
You wouldn't think the age of it that it would have an electric pump on it.
I'm talking about having to take the whole ass in
Oh,
and
yeah.
put down belts on it.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Stupid.
Brand new mower, better on my lawnmower. Look like ribbon, black ribbon down there. Right long. Shaving that damn bell under there or something.
You want to fully lock it up?
So, just been like that, one of them been like that for years. Randy, he straightened them, and I don't reckon it wanted to be straight. Didn't pay $75 for that damn belt.
Isaac paid $150 for one of his the other day.
Must have got it right there, that
No,
that place right there that man built off 60 Highway right there, South 19.
I don't know where. I think
That's
he
the
got it.
highest damn place in the world, son.
Oh, it is. Oh, I think he said he got it at Ace in Chiefland.
I've checked them prices, stopped by there, and they broke me the other day.
There comes the people.
There's the hog, man.
Them down 13 belts, 5. Anyhow.
What's he gonna put that hog in?
I don't know. I'll put him in the cab with him.
I seen him haul animals off in the cab of that truck.
What did he do that one day? Oh, he left with goats and cats. You borrowed the dog ball.
It's like that dog walks over there, that hog.
You're gonna have to put my dog box back there. That big pig. That's a big pig. What's
I'm
name?
gonna put it around there.
Big one. And I know what. Oh, they're females, though. Only males. Only males? Only males up there. They always litter mates. They're from white and black. Okay.
Back.
I think he's just pissed.
Oh, he's stuck.
Hey! Okay. heavy. It's got the bottom in it, but it can't do much with it. Go get him. Here, work the gate, Daddy.
Go get him, Isaac.
Oh, yeah.
Go get him.
Let's grab him like this, Isaac. Let's grab a ear and a leg and walk them out and get them. We did it.
Hey, strong now.
Don't let out, Daddy.
Hey, strong.
How you gonna get them out when you get home? How you gonna get them out?
We'll have to tranquilize them, Isaac.
Here, go get on this side and work the gate. So we've got three. Go ahead. Go ahead.
They'll break out if you don't tie. All right. Now tie that.
There's something in there.
What do you think, Haven?
Oh my God.
You don't know?
What happened to the trampoline?
Great tie.
Oh, that trampoline,
Thank you.
the hurricanes, what happened to that?
I said, hey, tomorrow I put
I
a
don't know.
tape measure.
Maybe the sun's voted out or
Like
something?
25 8-footer. It's got to be at least 8 to 9. 8 to 9. Yeah, and you quote from 12 to 14. Well, then,
Haven has discovered some sort of a treasure here. He thinks in the ground. We don't know what. I'm thinking it's tractor part or something. It's been there a
It
while.
looks like you know this bee, like how you tame a bee? It looks like that. It's metal.
Looks like what?
It looks like a thing. You know how you can make a bee tamed, like one of those like.
Oh, tame a bee. Yeah, it
Yeah,
puffs
but-
out the smoke at
Yeah,
them.
but it's
Yeah,
metal.
it calms a bee. It does look like that. It's shaped a lot like it, isn't it?
It's metal.
Yeah, it's just heavy and metal, and that thing's real light. You gonna wet these pigs down? Y'all meet Steve. We got him free because his balls are ruptured there in the back. I'm trying to talk Melvin into let's keep him as a pet, but I'm not winning that so far.
You already made him tame.
Yeah, I mean, y'all already got him sweet yesterday, didn't you? You and Tiny was petting him, and
Oh, there's one.
yeah, we better watch out or we're gonna get poo on us running out the back.
No, he said that fun.
Cooling the pork off.
It'll be long, right? 10 days.
Rescue the one there, he's the one that was hung.
Yeah, baby.
Right there, that's the one that was hung. Really? Melvin, this one that got hung, is that a boy or a girl?
Boy,
Yeah, what's this?
starter.
Found in the dirt.
Hung, too.
There we go, where they can.
stung you a while ago.
I seen it. Them old long ones that fall out of them trees.
They wadded up yonder like they had water. They water that big on that.
That's them damn regular bull ants.
There's bull ants come over first.
Voodoo.
Not water.
Go, Voodoo, go. Voodoo, no, move, go, go. Voodoo, go. Get out of here.
Come on.
Voodoo, go.
Come here.
Voodoo, get out there.
Come on.
Go. I'm gonna try to cut that little guild out and take her over there. I don't know if it's gonna work. Come stand out here, Daddy.
I was gonna put this drum right here.
That'll work. Bring the drums. There's the old queen bull ant.
Hey, after something. Yep, there she is.
Come on, go, go. Come on, turn around. Come on.
There's always the son of a bitch in the tree.
That ain't on. You know if it is, Lacey?
It's off.
Pull the truck up, just straight up, Lacey, just a little bit.
Now watch out, them bull ants get on you. They hurt that beat. Dwayne. You know I don't smell good from more on the line.
Well, all the time you smell a little one, I've learned, wait like Billy gets here, you smell it. But if there ain't nothing in heat, you can't smell a goat. Alright? Woo! But if there ain't nothing, if they're in heat, hold this gate down, I'm gonna grab this damn big hog.
You gonna grab what?
You grab it too, drag it out.
You got a load right there.
I know. Just gonna grab her by her back leg and drag her. Hang on, hang on. You're wear down.
Something strong, son. We just grab that big old wood hog. You grab one of them, that's why.
Damn it, man. Wear him down. Hey, Lacey, open that gate right there. Yep. Pull it out to you. I'm gonna be coming.
Goats in there.
20 pork.
Watch that big in there, Muck. Hold it, funky. That old big daddy. He's pretty good at rooting up stuff.
I have to wash these clothes or something by themselves.
Yeah, mine too. I'm sure I got poop all over me because I got the lime and it's covered in, I mean, that's where it come from. So
I got these right here now, but
this one right here is the one we're gonna eat, Chester. That's the one we've raised. And then the ones there behind are the ones that our friends and family are eating, gonna have butchered.
The next batch is going off to be show hog.
And then this is our, I guess you would call it our keeper pen. That is Arlene, Sharon Jean, and Maudette, and Steve. Probably my pet. And this we use to keep the goats out. No problem really keeping the pigs in. We haven't had a problem with that at all so far. But our goats want to jump in and eat the pig's feed, so we have to have this white line that runs all the way around. Keeps them out.
They dig that deep of a hole.
Huh?
They dig that deep of a hole.
Yeah, they did. They've been hard at work digging that. Now some of that's from where that barrel that we had, they're watering right there. It busted.
Oh, did?
Yeah, they knocked the spouts out of it, and so that water just went in there and made them a nice pond. So that's why it's kind of hollowed out like that so much. But you can tell, I mean, they're hollowing it out. I mean, they root and dig and.
They have such long noses that they can just like use it as a shovel.
Yeah, they do that.
I bet Voodoo can never do that. I bet Voodoo can never do that. How big that hole is. I'm trying to put
It's like Halen and Mabel's facing off.
I tried to put a leaf on Mabel's horn, but then it fell.
You gotta stop us up here on this corner so I can come back and shut that gate. And Haven doing the job that also has to be done, and she's gonna make her. They're negotiating it still, $5 or $10. No, I'm thinking it's gonna be 10. She's doing great work here, but all the pig poo's got to come out, or it will be raunchy in there. Okay, to end out today's video, I'm going to tell you a little story. I was coming back from the store, and this thing will catch some wind. I was driving the Ranger, and it was like this, you know, because the wind was pulling it back. And I was like, oh, well, I need to take this off, you know, but I'm still going down the road. And so the wind's still blowing forward right here. And so I take the hat, and it goes like this. And so now I'm driving down the road trying to get my hat. So that's pretty dangerous there. So anyway.